Good morning, Grade 11s. Today we are going to do some revision on writing a summary. Before you write the summary, read through the article or text thoroughly and make sure that you understand the content of the article or text. Then read your instructions and see what is expected of you. Normally, the summary asks you to list certain things that were important within the article or text, but often the summary question can also be the opposite of what you expect it to be. So make sure you fully understand the question. Then, as I always tell you, you need to write a first draft before doing the final draft. For the first draft, you are allowed to lift or quote from the text. But remember, you need to edit this first draft and rewrite the words into your own for your final draft. Now follow these following steps to write your summary. Firstly, you need to give your summary a title. Remember, the title needs to relate to the content of the article or text. Number your facts from 1 to 5. Important. Remember that you are only allowed to have one fact per number, meaning you are only allowed to have one sentence per number. As soon as you start writing more than one sentence, you risk losing marks, especially if your fact was, for instance, in the second sentence. When you write more than one sentence per number, only the first sentence will be marked, which might not necessarily contain your fact. Then leave a line open after each fact. This just makes it look neater and makes the marking easier. Important. Write the facts in your own words. For the final draft of the summary, you are not allowed to have quotes or lifting from the article or text. Again, for this, you will lose marks if you don't adhere to the rules. Please take note of your spelling and punctuation. These small errors add up once your summary is marked, causing you to lose unnecessary marks. Remember, sentences start with capital letters and end with full stops. Stick to the indicated word count. Normally, you are required to write a summary of 60 or 70 words. You are, however, allowed to go over with 5 words. But, again, you might start losing marks once you exceed 75 words, seeing that your summary is only marked up to the 5 words extra. Then lastly, indicate the word count at the end of your summary. Here is an example of a summary. You'll see that in the quotations column, I have lifted from the specific article that this summary was made up of. You will see that in the second column, the facts column, I have changed the words into my own words. So they still contain the fact, but not with the same words given to you in the specific text or article. You will also see, however, that this specific summary had 7 facts. You are, however, only required to identify 5 of them. Now it's your turn to write a summary. Remember, practice makes perfect. For today, you are going to use the article on page 111 for your summary. Write a summary of 70 words in which you summarize 5 main points the writer makes about the Human Kindness Foundation. Have fun!